this video you will learn how to add an email signature to your Gmail account. To start, log in to your Gmail account and navigate to Settings in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings at the top of the Settings section. Scroll down until you find the Signature settings. Once you have found the signature settings, click Add New. Name your signature and click Create once you are ready. Then go to your email signature, select the whole signature and click Copy. Head back to your Gmail account settings and paste the email signature in the box. Once you have done that, check over the email signature to check it is correct. Then scroll to the bottom and click Save. Finally, check the email signature displays well by creating a test email. Select Compose from the top left. Select the little pen symbol at the end of the toolbar. This should display all your email signatures. Select the signature you just created and check it is correct. You have now successfully applied your email signature to your Gmail account. With these manual email signatures, there will sometimes be display issues due to different devices and different email platforms. To avoid this, you will need to invest in a professional email signature software. Thanks for watching. To find out more about the professional email signature services and software we can provide your business with, contact us today or visit our website, www.scorpiodigital.co.uk.